Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to see who shared your TikTok video. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first thing you need to do is to make sure your TikTok app on your cell phone was updated, and that is very important, and it's important to say that works for any video, any device you have, your iPhone, your Android, so you don't need to worry about that. Right, in your TikTok you need to go to your profile. Here in your profile, if you click in a post, okay, in your post right here, and you see section views more data. In the lower side of your screen, in the bottom side of your screen, and right here you can see the information of your post. Your video analytic is right here. You can see the number of people who shared your TikTok, but you can see who is the person. You see only the number. Unfortunately, the TikTok don't have the feature who allow you to see TikTok video. I hope this can help you out. Thanks for watching this video.